me in it too. Hi, I'm Cash Target. This is a Robbe Paula 4. I'm not using the crane on it, but she does have a few tricks up her sleeves. First thing, we do have lights. That light. We have radar. And we have lots of noise. So I got to work on my neutral settings on my throttle so I have a little more of a buffer. But that's out of the box. The sounds are coming from the Mr. RCSounds sound card. And it's quite loud. The speaker actuator is actually glued under the deck. So the whole boat is a sound box. And that's it. Graupner light control. A constant drive servo for the radar and brushless motor. There you go. Thanks for watching.